Ron Klain as Biden's choice for chief of staff. How will he help Biden in the White House with its response to COVID-19?
Well, I think Ron Klain's ascent is really about competence. And I think for Americans who felt at sea around a Trump administration where people doubted the competence or the dedication of a number of senior people in that administration, this is a gesture in the right direction. You want a chief of staff in the White House who knows how the federal bureaucracy works, who can speak candidly to the president, who knows how to control access to the president, and really helps the West Wing function in a precise and exacting way. Ron Klain has deep experience on the managerial side. And then, of course, we're still confronting a pandemic right now, an epic pandemic. And Ron Klain won high marks for how he handled the Ebola crisis several years ago. When he got that job, it was only in for, I think, about 5 months. But when he got it, there was a lot of criticism that he wasn't a public health official, that he had no background in infectious diseases. But what it turned out was he was a very good crisis manager, and he was able to marshal the forces of the federal government and experts to really pin that problem down. And I think we need that kind of leadership right now in Washington with the coronavirus.
Do you have any other ideas of any other special credentials Klain brings to the table that maybe people don't know about?
Well, he's got a lot of ample experience in the private sector. He worked for a period of time for Steve Case's venture capital firm. He's served on corporate boards. He has the trust of, I think, some progressives in the Democratic Party. He's a good bridge between progressives and moderates in the party. He's, as you noted, served as a chief of staff to both Biden and Al Gore. He was an advisor to John Kerry. He has been a player at a very high level in Democratic politics for a long time, and I think people trust him and trust his judgment.
The biggest stories the moment they happen from around the globe. Subscribe to Bloomberg Quicktake now for insight in an instant.